All right, today we're gonna bring an outdoor LED light, and this has an actual frost area, a frost cover. Right, this is gonna actually illuminate pretty good. It illuminates the actual frost area and area around it. So this actually spreads out the actual LED lights. It's a little bit, if you guys could see, there's actually a curve within it. It has a large radiator to disperse the actual heat. Day to night mode sensor. 3 connections you're going to require: hot, neutral, and ground. That's pretty much it. Another option is you can put them on the post, a flat post, or you can install on a tube too. All right, so they do have that option here. They give you the Allen wrench, so you can remove that, and if you want to set that up to grab some sort of post, there's a couple of teeth in there that grab onto the actual post. So we're going to set this up and see how it looks. Everything's included, including the Allen wrench and the tie down. So let's go and set it up and put it together. Okay, that one's good. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this one with the actual frost, right? And right now I have it on, but I'm gonna show you the entire, I have a light on here, so I'm just showing you how it looks before I turn it off, the complete light, so you guys can see this. Okay, here's the light itself. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how bright it looks out here. This one is a good security light too, also for night, for garage, and it's about 12 feet high right now, but it illuminates this entire backyard here. It's illuminating the whole thing here, so even behind it you're able to see it. So I'm gonna shut it down in front of it so you guys can see how it looks at night. Completely dark in here. All right, I'm gonna disconnect the light. Completely darkness. Light on. Complete on. So that's how bright it is. Hope you guys enjoy the video. This is my entire yard, but it is bright. As you can see, it illuminates this whole entire area. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.